us to embrace fitness, push our limits, and make health a priority every day.
Number 7, begin. Beat. Position. PD number 8 and 9, begin.
Precision, every hand, every leg moving perfectly in sync. MashaAllah, the discipline is just incredible.
Absolutely, and notice the energy. They are not just performing exercise, they are showing determination, focus, and pure teamwork at its best.
Beat. Exercise number 10 and 11, begin. Position. March towards your symbol. Start, march.
Now, as we look closely at the ground, something truly special is unfolding before our eyes. With perfect coordination and discipline, our students are coming together, not just as individuals, but as one united team.
Yeah.
15, begin. Beat. Beat. Beat.
In our institution, SON, these letters stand for more than just a name. They represent our values, our discipline, and our dreams, and the spirit that binds us together as one family. Seeing our students from the initial of our school is a moment of immense pride for the teachers who guide them, the parents who support them, and the institution that shapes their future.
This powerful formation reminds us that when unity, effort, and purpose come together, something truly meaningful is created.
Beat.